Call me a homemaker, call me a stay at home mom, or a home business owner, whatever floats your boat. But any day I will vouch for meal prep because it makes my days so much more bearable, stress free, and hassle free. I am always in a better place mentally if I know what I'm going to do with my time the entire day. So for me, it's not just about meal prepping through the week, it's also about putting together a to do list that I have to complete through the week. Wait, but there's a plot twist. I realized a couple of months back that after all the meal prep that I do on Sundays, I wake up on Monday mornings completely exhausted and drained, which is when I decided that Monday mornings will be free. It will be a rush free, no madness morning where I put together simple meals that call for minimal prep, including chopping. So, Monday mornings means meals that come from frozen vegetables and meals that are typically made in my instant pot or pressure cooker. For instance, today I made a very simple 10 to 20 minute affair piece pulao along with the creamy masoor dal made the Sri Lankan way in my pressure cooker. Both of this took about 25 to 30 minutes, and while this was getting done, I also prepped some tea and completed cleaning the kitchen. That's about it. My entire day is done. For dinner, it will be dosas and some chutney. That's it. Monday mornings is not meant for madness. It's meant for starting off the week with full of energy and joy. Thank you. Bye-bye.